Public educators and administrators, are you contemplating retirement in 2018? Have you developed questions regarding teacher retirement updates and how it's affecting your retirement health insurance premiums? How to complete the retirement packet? How to decide which retirement option is right for you? What about learning strategies for public school employees who may still be eligible to receive Social Security? How about strategies to potentially maximize your retirement income? Retirement traps and tips? We would like to invite you to our Teacher Retirement Strategies Workshop. Since 2003, this complimentary seminar has been open to all Texas public school employees. I have personally assisted administrators, teachers, and other public school employees with their teacher retirement plans by utilizing retirement strategies which help meet specific needs exclusively for their retirement. Many of you may know our firm and have heard of me, so I invite you to come find out more about the options and money-saving tips that may be available to you. Please visit our website for dates, times, and workshop locations. Can't make one of the workshops? Please feel free to contact us for a one-on-one consultation to personalize a retirement strategy for you and your family. Thank you, and we look forward to meeting you.